Hi, this is Allie from Tech-nic-Allie speaking, and today I'm going to be attempting to replace the battery in my phone. So hopefully all goes well. I will be using the iFixit tools and the tutorial that is online, and I'm feeling pretty confident about this, so let's see what happens. Alright, so I'm feeling confident because if I don't feel confident, then I won't have this to do my German lessons tonight, so yeah. So now that we've got the old battery out, it actually took a little bit of time because the adhesive was sticking to the battery and we couldn't get it pulled out all the way. But we finally were able to do it with these spudgers and pry the battery out. And so now it's time to put in the new battery, and hopefully my battery life will be greatly improved. Out with the old, in with the new, and time for reassembly. So this is the moment of truth. I feel like I've reinstalled everything that I need to, and so now I'm going to try to turn it on for the first time, and if it doesn't turn on, then I am in trouble, but if it does turn on, then mission success. So here we go. Yeah. Well, good. I know I didn't mess up so far, so I feel very proud right now. This is a very proud moment for me.